This is a medium-scale dairy farm started with a budget of 3 to 3.5 million rupees. 2. The farm has 10 healthy dairy cows selected for high milk production. 3. A clean and well-ventilated shed is built to keep the animals safe and comfortable. 4. Cows are fed green fodder, dry feed, and clean water every day. 5. Milk is collected daily in clean steel containers. 6. One trained worker manages feeding, cleaning, and daily farm work. 7. The farm produces steady milk income every month. 8. Monthly expenses include feed, labor, electricity, water, and veterinary care. 9. After expenses, the farm earns a good monthly profit. 10. Regular vaccination protects animals and saves future costs. 11. Extra profit can be made by producing yogurt, butter, or ghee. 12. Proper planning reduces risk and increases success. 13. This dairy farm can grow bigger with time and profit.